So let's move on. Next presentation will be given by C. Huang, who's sales manager at TaiyangNews, and he will talk about some quality topics, how you can handle that with innovative solar modules. See, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you for introduction of Mr. Mihao. This is C from DH Solar, and here we'd like to introduce some information of our company, also the products information. Here is a presentation from the DH Solar. Let me share our screen. Okay, so can you see my screen now?
Yeah, all good. Perfect.
Okay. So here, I divide our presentation into three parts. The first one is about the remain problems of the solar panels. That's why our company developed the full screen tech. The second is about what is the full screen tech, and the third one is some information about our companies. So first is our first part, the remaining problems. A solar system need to operate in the outside for 25 or 30 years at the outside. So the dust will accumulate on the bottom of the solar panel. Here is some photos that we can see in the outdoor solar systems. You can see here on the bottom, the dust accumulate here. And this is the photos to show for the regular solar panel if they're installed in the outdoor, and the water and dust will accumulate here. And sometimes if the dust do not get clean in time, it may cause the hot spots. And also in the winter time, there will the heavy snow in the different global areas, and because the regular panel, they do have the frame in the inside, so the snow cannot slide in time. So this will influence the power generation. Also, it will hurt the solar panels. And according to the DH solar calculation, 1 megawatt PV station, due to the bottom data, the dust accumulation, it will cause lost the power 108,000 kilowatt hour. So that's why our company used the three years to develop the full screen tech and solve this problem. The next part, we will introduce our global patented tech, full screen tech. So what is full screen? Actually, the dust and the water accumulation caused by the frame on the A side. So our company just used 3 years to innovate the structure of the whole solar panel, and now our full screen tech do not have a frame in the whole A side. You can see the photos compared and you can see these are two photos to compare the full screen tech and the regular solar panel. The left side, the water and dust will accumulate on the different weathers, but for the full screen tech on the right side, there will not such a phenomenon happens. And also our company built the compare PV stations to compare the full screen panel and the regular solar panel, how much electricity can increase. You can see after 1 year, the power, the red light is for the power increased, and after 1 year, the average is 8.61%. This is the full screen solar panels can increase the power generation 80% than the regular one. And this PV station is in the Anhui province near to Shanghai, the middle province of China. And this is tested by the TUV node, because the TUV in the North China province, they just found that the power generation will be 11.5%. The full screen can increase than the regular one. This test is in the Gansu province, the north province of China, and many dust and the rain is very less. So considering all these factors, we can see the 4-screen modules can increase power generation 6 to 15% by the regular panel due to we have solved the problem of the dust accumulation. And also, some guys may have worried about the quality of the 4-screen module because it do not have frame in the A side. So we do the same test as a regular panel. We do have the certifications of the TUV, and we did the front side wind pressure and the back side the front side snow pressure and the back side wind pressure, and we passed the test. The front side can achieve 5,400 pascals, and the back side can achieve 2,400 pascals. And the operating temperature is -40 to 85. And also for this 4-screen tech, our company got the 18 countries patent, including the main EU countries, the American, the Brazil, the Japan, and Australia. So all the main countries, our company do have the patents for the 4-screen tech. Also, we got the TUV, CE in Metro, and other necessary certifications so that the 4-screen can enter the global market. And also for now is the TOPCon panel can take up much market share than the PERC one. So our company also applied our 4-screen tech on the TOPCon panel. Besides, now is the rectangular cells can maximum the loading quantity than the square one. So also our companies apply the 4-screen tech on the TOPCon, and based on TOPCon, we will apply the rectangular cells. Also, you can see the left side, we do have some colorful solar panels that is suitable for the EU markets, because we know the EU markets, they think the solar panels is not the electricity method, is also the decoration waste, elegant waste. So our company applied the 4-screen tech on the colorful solar panels. So this is the introduction of our 4-screen tech, and we do have for the 4-screen tech, we can apply on the silver frame, the black frame, also the full black panel. Also, our tech can maximum the different technologies. So the third one is about some information of the DH Solar. So actually, DH Solar is headquartered in Hefei, Anhui province. It's a middle province of China, and in these cities, the whole government has the full support, has a full policy support for the renewable energy. So the DH Solar develops very fast these years. Our company actually established in the 2009, and in the 2016, our company found the R&D team, and in the 2018, our company founded the first PV module production line, and in the 2021, our company used the 3 years to develop the 4-screen tech and also the solar unit. Just these 2 star products put into mass production, and in the last year, our company built from IGOS to the silicon Wi-Fi to the solar cell and to the solar panel, the whole solar industry, so that our company can compete in this market. This is the total capacity of our companies, including the PV module, the solar cell, silicon Wi-Fi, also the solar unit. It is a kind of microinverter, but just a combination of the solar panels. And our employees is over 2,000, and the R&D team is take up over 15%. This is some photos of our companies and our production line. This is our headquarters. This is our TOPCon new factories, including the solar cell and the solar panel. This one is our silicon Wi-Fi factories. Besides we built the whole solar industrial chain in the globe, in China. We do have the global markets. I mean, we set a global sales network. Our headquarters is in Hefei, China, and our road is to the Europe. We have a Germany branch, and we set the Euro warehouse. we do the Brazil branch, and our brand already become top 4 brand in the Brazil market, and for the Nigeria, for the South Africa, for the Middle Asia, and for the Australia. Our companies, especially for our full-screen solar panels, enter the global market. This is some cases for our full-screen tech. First is about our residential solar system. It is in the Thailand. This is in the Mexico. Yes, Mexico, and so. Segment. This is actually PV ground stations. This is this PV station we just finished installation is 135 megawatts. This one is also PV ground PV stations. The second part is about the industrial and the commercial rooftops. Actually, our full-screen tech can mostly applied in the industrial, commercial, and the residential solar systems can maximum their power generations. I mean, can achieve even 15%. This so industrial factory roof cases we built for the new is 35 megawatt and totally applied our full-screen solar panels. This is the commercial and the industrial PV stations that we applied in the global market. Okay, thank you for your attention. Okay.
Thank you, C. Very interesting. So just one question regarding that frame, which is really innovative. So I think you said you have a couple of patents. So how do you enforce that? Are you seeing actually that others trying to copy you, or because that is quite impressive?
Yes, actually for our full-screen tech, because in the beginning our company tried to solve a problem of the dust accumulation. So we want to just keep the no frame in A side, and actually we did, because it has we did success after 3 years test, because it has much difficulties. But also our company got the patents in the global 18 countries. Also we can see some other suppliers that do the products similar to us, but our company is the founder of this one. Yes.
Okay, thank you. If there are any further questions, you might want to check the chat if there's anything, and then yeah, thanks so much.